mistake, log in again.
Yes, student.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, again I am revising the fractions, the different types of the fractions, because I have noticed few of the students have
Ma'am,
done the
I is
worksheet
right.
wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I is
yes.
right.
Laksh, yours is right, but few of the students are there who have done the wrong. So let me revise the topic again. And please turn on your camera. I request to Yash Desai, Nishika, Jahan Agarwal, Khush Ahuja, and Khush Ahuja. You had done the full worksheet wrong yesterday. So please pay attention here now.
Yes.
Types of, mute your mics, everyone, and camera on. Types of fraction I am revising. Unit
Ma'am, we
fraction.
need our books also.
We keep with you. But listen here. Unit fraction. Unit fractions are the fractions which has 1 as the numerator. Means 1 upon 6 or 1 upon 7 or 1 upon 8 or 1 upon 2. Whatever the denominator can be. Means आपने total कितने भी parts किए हैं किसी भी चीज के, पर अगर आपने उसका one part ही किसी को दिया है, then this fraction is the unit fraction. Unit means 1. So when the numerator is 1, that fractions are the unit fractions. Then comes the like fractions. Like means ek jaise, similarity. So for example, if I have, there was a pizza, I did 6 parts, I gave 2 parts to Riddhi. Next, the same pizza, I have another pizza, I have done the 6 parts and I have gave 4 to Anushka. Then one more pizza, I have again done the 6 parts of that and I have given 3 parts to Dhairya. Okay, so you can see I have given different.
Ma'am, 2 parts, 4 parts, and 3 parts.
You can see I have given the different parts to that, but
Yes.
I have done the total 6 parts from all the
Yes.
pizza. So if you see the denominator is same, fractions are the like fractions. So if there are a lot of fractions given to you and you need to find out the like fractions from the given fraction, so you need to find out from the, if the denominator
Yes,
is same,
ma'am.
that fractions are the उसी group के हैं. Yes, there. Any difficulty till here? Unit fraction is clear to you all, everyone. Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear unit.
I had a doubt that
Yes.
in unit I like fraction in
Yes.
down like you have kept 6. So
It can be any number. It can be 5 also. But only see all should be same.
so numerator can also be the same.
No, no. Only the denominator same.
Okay.
The group of fractions which are having the denominator same, and the denominator can be also any number. Not, I am just giving you example with 6, but it can be any number. But if all the denominators, Samriddhi, sit at one place. If all the denominators are same, that fractions are the like fractions. Now comes to the unlike fractions.
Yes.
Unlike fractions are the fractions which have numerator and denominator all different. Unlike, जिनमें कोई similarity ही नहीं है, सारे अलग हैं, that are unlike. Then now comes the proper fraction. Proper fraction means आप किसी भी चीज का fraction कब तक करोगे जब तक वो हो सकेगा, right? For example, if you have done, there was a one pizza and you have done total 3 parts of that pizza. So you can give 1/3 to one child, you can give 2/3 to another child, right? Because possible है, 3 में से 1 part देना possible है, 3 में से 2 part भी देना possible है. पर अगर कोई आपको बोलेगा 3 total parts में से मुझे 4 दे दो, possible होंगे? क्योंकि आपने तो एक पिज्जा के 3 parts किए थे.
And so they will remove from another one.
Yes, so here the situation come कि पिज्जा आपके पास 2 होने चाहिए, तभी आप 3/3 तक तो 1 होल हो जाएगा, बाकी 1/3 एक एक्स्ट्रा जो आपको
Yes,
लेना है, that 1/3 part you will take from the second pizza. Clear, Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So 4/3 इसको improper fraction कहेंगे क्योंकि ये proper fraction नहीं है. प्रॉपर नहीं है, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है 3 में से 4 पार्ट देना. That is why this fraction is called improper. For example, if I write 18 upon 17, mean total 17 part ही आपने किए. Will it be possible to give 18 parts to someone? Yes or no, students? I want the active answers.
No, ma'am.
Arna,
No,
where are you looking, my
Oh,
dear?
ma'am.
So
No,
from
ma'am.
17 total parts, it is not possible to give 18 to someone. So what trick we will apply? अब 18 कैसे दे उसको?
From another pizza.
Yes, 17 जिसके पार्ट्स किए थे वो तो पूरा का पूरा 17 में से 17 तो उसके पास चला ही गया. एक और पार्ट जो 18 minus 17 means 1 upon 17th part.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1 upon 17 is equal to
पार्ट 1 upon 17th पार्ट जो दूसरा पिज्जा है उसमें से हम देंगे.
is equal to
ठीक है?
19.
Then only it will possible means 17 upon 17 plus 1 upon 17 when you do
Is equal
it
to
will
1
be
upon
18 upon
18
17.
upon.
So can you see मैंने डिनोमिनेटर को तो प्लस नहीं किया है, just plus the numerator. Then it is possible 1 upon 17. Now, how we can write it into the whole numbers? So we can say the one whole pizza I have given, and from the next
Yes.
part, from the next, I have given 117. So I will write it like this. One
Yes,
whole,
ma'am. Ma'am, 17 is he has.
one whole, 1 upon 17. Means one
Yes.
whole pizza and 1 upon 17th pizza. Got it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Suppose, for example, 18 upon 4. How you will write it this in the mixed fraction?
Ma'am, we have 4 whole pizza.
First of all, students, I'm asking from everyone. I'm not only asking from Lakshya. I want everyone has to give me the answer. Is this a proper fraction, Dharya?
No.
Is this a unit fraction, Rudra?
No.
No, ma'am.
Is this a like fraction?
No.
You cannot able to see whether. Is this a proper fraction, Priya?
No, ma'am.
Samriddhi, is
No,
this
ma'am.
an improper fraction? Samriddhi, is this an improper fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
How you can say that this is the improper fraction?
Ma'am, because the digit is small, the numerator is bigger than denominator.
हाँ, और पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि 4 में से हम 18 दे तो ये प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन नहीं है, ये इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. अब हाउ टू राइट द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इनटू द मिक्स्ड? वेट अ मिनट, लेट मी टेक द अटेंडेंस.
Ma'am, we have 4 whole pizza. And
No. Now जब तक ये 4 में से 4 थे, then we have done one whole pizza. So how you will convert? See, easily when the numbers are small, it is easily to check. Right, 17 parts तो हमने whole में ले लिए, and one part will be the and from the another pizza. But if the numbers are big, how you will check? You will divide this number. Can you see this? How many times 18 comes or the less than 18? You know division, right? What is the question and what is the remainder will come when you divide?
ma'am, the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 2.
Quotient is 4. 4 4 just 16 and the remainder is 2. Yes or no?
So, ma'am, we
So how we write it into the mixed now? The denominator, which is here, will be same in the answer. And the remainder, which is down here, will go up here. And the quotient, which is here, will come here. Means 4 whole pizza, and from the 5th one, you have given 2/4.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, look, improper fraction means like this 4 upon 18. So we remove from another.
It is not 4 upon 18. First of all, you should know how to read the fraction.
18 upon 4.
Yes.
So it is a improper fraction because we took from another pizza. So now what is proper fraction?
Proper fraction when it is possible to give. कि 7 में से 6 parts, when 7 is the denominator and 6 is the numerator. 7 में से 6 parts देना तो possible है. क्या 4 में से 18 देना possible है? So when it is possible, then it's the proper.
Okay, ma'am.
And now you will say 3 में से, if the fraction come like this, there look here. If I say 3/3 is the fraction,
Yeah.
then you will say it is proper. Then I can give 3 में से 3 तो मैं दे सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
But this is not proper. This is the whole, and when it is one whole, तब तो वो fraction रहा ही नहीं. जब पूरा पार्ट ही आपने किसी को दे दिया, तो वो क्या the full whole pizza ही आपने, या एप्पल या बनाना, whatever the object it is, सारा ही आपने किसी को दे दिया, तो वो क्या fraction में रहा?
So now proper fraction and like fraction is same.
No.
Then
Like fraction आपको तभी दिखने को मिलेगा when you will find from the group में से छाटना है. अब सारी क्लास में से मुझे धैर्य को ही छाटना है, राइट? या फिर डी लेटर वर्ड्स को ही छाटना है, डी लेटर के स्टूडेंट्स को ही देखना है मुझे, देन लाइक फ्रैक्शन काम में आएगा. तो जब डिनोमिनेटर जिसके सेम होंगे तभी आपको लाइक फ्रैक्शन काम आएगा. Okay, it is not compulsory. Proper fraction can be like fraction also. Got it? And like fraction can be proper fraction also.
Ma'am,
Now, if I say 3/3, you will not say this is proper fraction. Why? This is not proper fraction because it's a whole now. और जब भी हम पूरे की whole की बात कर रहे हैं, तो means वो improper में हो जाएगा. Fraction तो रहा ही नहीं. फ्रैक्शन क्या है? पार्ट ऑफ अ होल. किसी भी चीज का आपने पार्ट किया है, राइट? तो वो तब तक फ्रैक्शन है जब तक कि आप उसके टुकड़े कर सकते हैं, उसके पार्ट्स कर सकते हैं. जब वो पूरा होल बन गया तो आप तो उसके पार्ट्स कर ही नहीं सकते. देन इट विल बी इम्प्रॉपर. सो इफ आई से 4/4, देन आल्सो इट इज इम्प्रॉपर. 18/18 improper. Trisha, please pay attention here because your worksheet was wrong yesterday.
ma'am, can unlike fraction and proper fraction could be same?
Yes, can unlike and proper can be same. Now, as I was explaining you this, suppose this is the improper fraction. Yes, not suppose, it is exactly the improper fraction because from 4, out of the total 4, 18 parts cannot be possible. So it's an improper fraction. Now, how to convert it into the mixed fraction? We divide. We divide we write denominator here, write the numerator here. You all know dividend divisor. As you know, this is coming down. It's a from with 4 you will divide 18. 4 as a question you said 4 4 is 16, and the remainder is 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now I will tell you how to write these numbers. How to write these numbers in the fraction. So, जो denominator है will be at the denominator place. It can be whatever the number, जो भी है. From here it is 4. I am writing 4 as the denominator in my answer. Now, what I will write here and what I will write here as the whole number. So, the remainder which is here will go up here in the answer. And the question which is here will go in the whole numbers. So, now I can say when I read this, इसको पढ़ने से मुझे क्या पता लग रहा है कि जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट था जिसको हमने डिवाइड किया है, whether it is pizza, whether it is anything, whatever we are eating, so 4 तो whole मैंने उसको दिए हैं, 4 whole 2/4. So how I will read this mixed fraction? From the fifth one. Yes. 4 whole 2/4 means फिफ्थ पिज्जा में से मैंने उसको 2/4 पार्ट और भी दिया है. 4 तो कंप्लीट पिज्जा दिए हैं. 1 2 3 4 पिज्जा तो कंप्लीट दिए हैं बिकॉज द होल इज 4. देन फिफ्थ भी पिज्जा किया है मैंने, उसमें से मैंने उसको, क्योंकि हर पिज्जा में मैंने 4 पार्ट्स किए थे बिकॉज द टोटल इज 4. सो जब होल नंबर्स में आ गया तो एक पिज्जा 4 + 4 इज 8, 8 + 4 इज 12, 12 + 4 इज 16 पार्ट्स. तो मेरे 4 पिज्जा में से हो गए. बाकी के 2 पार्ट्स 18 पार्ट्स मुझे देने हैं. बाकी के 2 पार्ट मैं 5th पिज्जा में से दूंगी उसको. That is why I'm writing 2/4. So do you know, first if you need to convert the improper fraction into the mix, first you divide and then you write. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now children,
Yes.
I have posted one worksheet based on the same. So everyone please open the worksheet. I'm going to give you the link also in the chat box so that you can open and we can discuss this worksheet right now. Wait, let me give you a link in the chat box also. And it is already pasted with the name of the worksheet number 7. Is everyone able to access in that worksheet? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please open this and start doing in the notebook. Because I don't think you will able to start doing in the notebook. So I'm giving you the link in the chat box. Go to that link. Mohit, are you able to open that worksheet?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can
Yes.
I do it in the form only?
Yes, if it is possible for you to do it in the form, you can do. Mute yourself, everyone. Ridhan, yesterday's worksheet was wrong, so please try to understand. So I'm going to present you the screen and I'll show you the worksheet here. And we'll discuss one by one. In this second sum, you need to change it. Because what changes you need to do, can you tell me? Is my screen visible to you all?
Ma'am, it's proper fraction.
Is my screen is visible to you all, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
When you check the second one, it is proper. So इसको उल्टा कर दो. 18, right? 18 up and 17 down. Because proper fraction को आप mix में convert नहीं कर सकते. Right? 18 up and 17 down. And start doing. 11/4. How you will do, Samriddhi? First you will do fast in the notebook and tell me how you will do. How many holes and how many parts are coming in 11/4?
Ma'am, is it okay if I take the printout out?
Yes,
and do
yes,
the
yes,
worksheet?
yes. Samriddhi, 11/4. It's for you. Next sum, I'm dividing the students and then they have to solve. Mohit, second sum,
Okay.
18/17.
18/17.
How you will write it into the mixed? Mixed fraction में कैसे लिखोगे? First step is what you need to do.
First step we have to do. First we have to divide.
Divide. So what will I write here?
17.
And what will I write here?
18.
Now what will be the quotient?
1.
1. And what will be the remainder?
1.
How you will write in the mixed? Then what will be the denominator?
17.
17. What will be the numerator?
Numerator will be 1.
Quotient वाला 1 कि remainder वाला 1?
Quotient.
No. यहाँ दोनों सेम है तो आपका आंसर सही हो जाएगा. Remainder वाला 1. Which one?
Remainder.
And what will come in the whole?
The whole will come 18.
18. जो quotient है वो that will come in the whole. So how you will read this fraction?
17 plus
No.
17 ones are 17.
One whole 1/17. 1 whole means एक पिज्जा था जिसके आपने 17 पार्ट्स किए, ठीक है, तो वो तो पूरा पिज्जा आपने दे दिया क्योंकि आपको 18/17 पार्ट उसको देना है. सो हाउ यू विल मेक 18/17? सो एक पिज्जा में तो आपने उसको 17 पार्ट दे दिए, दूसरे पिज्जा में से आपने उसको 1/17 पार्ट दिया. Got it? Do more practice. There are 7 to 8 sums. Start doing in your notebook. Yes, Samriddhi is done. This one. Okay, I'm giving next sum to the next child. Wait a minute. Third sum, Khush Ahuja. Third sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Third sum
Yes,
is
ma'am.
33/5. अब 5 parts
Yes, ma'am.
में से 33 parts देना possible है?
Ma'am, answer.
No, ma'am.
So how you will do this?
Ma'am, first I will divide.
Wait a minute, Samriddhi. First you will
Divide.
divide. Then what is the answer coming? What will come here?
Ma'am, it will come 5,
So what is the question?
6,
5 6 ja. What will
30,
be 30? What will be the remainder?
3.
3. Now how you will write this in the mixed?
Ma'am, 33.
Where is the 33? In the numerator or the denominator?
Ma'am, denominator.
33.
No, ma'am, numerator. Sorry.
न्यूमरेटर तो फिर ये डिवाइड करने का क्या मतलब था 33 को? फिर न्यूमरेटर अगर आपको 33 लिखना है तो
Ma'am, 30.
my dear, whatever the denominator is, I am audible to others. Am
Ma'am.
I audible, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask today.
If you don't put your earphone inside it, so how it is possible? Yes, Trisha. First Trisha, then Anushka.
Ma'am, I can write that 1 whole and 1/17.
No. आपको उसी वे में लिखना है, the way I have told you. We read it as 1 whole 1/17, but we write it as like this.
I'm not able to write like that.
No, so better do in the notebook and attach the work. That is not the correct way to write.
Okay, I'll do it.
Yes, Anushka. Yes, wait there, Dhyan. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, it's a like fraction. Sorry,
It's
ma'am. It's
proper fraction. I already announced to the students, convert it into the improper. उसको उल्टा कर दो. 18/17 कर दो. Now, I was asking from Kush Ahuja. Kush,
Yes, ma'am.
the denominator जो है वो denominator की place पे ही रहेगा when you convert into the mixed.
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
remainder है वो आपका numerator बन जाएगा. जो quotient है which is 6 will be your whole.
Okay, ma'am.
So how many whole pizzas you have given to make it 33 pieces उसको देना है?
6,
6 whole. And from the 7th one, how much part you have given?
3,
3/5.
3/5.
क्योंकि आपने हर पिज्जा के 5 पार्ट्स किए हैं.
Yes,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
डिनोमिनेटर 5 है. हर पिज्जा के आपने 5 पार्ट्स किए हैं, जिसमें
Yes,
से
ma'am.
आपने टोटल 6 pizzas you have given. There is start doing. I think you're just sitting and listening.
no, ma'am. I'm doing.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how to check? आपने मिक्स में लिखा है तो आपका सही है कि नहीं है, गलत है. How to check this? This also I will tell you. See, when you multiply this number with this number, with denominator
30.
with the whole 30 and plus 3, 30 plus 3 is 33. Means
33.
आपका जो mixed fraction है वो सही है. आप अपना आंसर खुद भी चेक कर सकते हो. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Denominator multiply by the whole. Denominator multiply by the whole. That is 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. This is plus sign. Means your answer is right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Trisha, tell me the fourth sum. 28 divided by 3. 28/3. How you will solve this?
Ma'am, I
Somebody
can't.
wait.
This one, can you please tell me again?
28 upon 3. How you will convert it into the mixed? First of all, you divide. So which number will come here?
3.
Which number will come here?
28.
So now divide and tell me the answer. What is the quotient and what is the remainder? In 3 table, 28 comes how many times? (28) or less than 28? Division to pata hai na? Trisha, we have learned no division, how to divide. So
Ma'am,
just
less
tell me
than-
how to divide.
Ma'am, 3 8s are 28. Ma'am,
3 8 are 28. Go and learn the 3 table.
Ma'am, 3 8s are 24.
I'm asking
Ma'am,
less. Yes, yes. I'm asking.
27.
Yes, Trisha. Your mic is mute.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Wait. Please, by the time you do other sums also, don't waste your time. Karna, you are doing right?
I have a doubt.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, my doubt is not related to the worksheet, but it is related to fractions and
Yes.
what we are doing.
Yes,
In the
yes.
mixed fraction.
Ma'am, 3 8s are.
What if it's like
Ayush, can I listen first to Trisha and then I come back to you? Yes, Trisha. 3 8s are.
sure.
What I will write here?
Ma'am?
Ma'am, 24.
20. But it's still, if you go till 9, what the number is
27.
coming? 3 9
27.
27 we can take. Okay. And the remainder is, when you subtract, the remainder is 1. Now, after getting division, the main thing comes how to write it into the mixed. Right? So whatever the denominator is given, the denominator will remain the same. Here the denominator, this is numerator, this is denominator. Denominator is 3. So हमारे answer में भी denominator तो same ही रहेगा. It will not change. Now what will be the numerator? Your remainder will be your numerator. And your quotient will be a whole. Got it? So when you read this now, 9 whole 1 upon 3. मतलब आपने total 10 pizzas लिए थे. हर पिज्जा के कितने पार्ट किए थे? 3 पार्ट्स किए थे. You have taken, आप कैसे लगा रहे हैं अंदाजा कि 10 पिज्जाज है? 9 तो आपको होल में दिख ही रहा है. It means जो ये पार्ट है, ये 10th वाले पिज्जा में से ही लिया गया होगा. Yes or no? है ना? So 9 whole pizzas. And from the 10th pizza, we have taken 1/3. Okay, understood? So every pizza के हमने 3 parts किए थे. It is not exactly 1 2 3. क्यों? How we can say every pizza के हमने 3 किए थे? Because the denominator is 3. So हर pizza के हमने 3 parts किए थे. तो every pizza में से उसको 3 parts मिल रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट में से भी 3. ऐसे 9 पिज्जा में 3 9 27 पार्ट्स, तो उसको 9 पिज्जा में से मिल रहा है. बट वी उसको 28 चाहिए, एक पार्ट और चाहिए. तो वो एक पार्ट 1/3 जो है वो किस में से मिलेगा? 10th पिज्जा में से. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ विल यू डू इट? ओके. यस समृद्धि, एज आई टोल्ड यू टू डू.
Yeah.
टेल मी.
4 divided by 11, then
4 divided by 11, then the complete is wrong. If you don't know how to read the fraction, then no need to study.
4 upon 11.
If it is 4 upon 11, then I write like this.
Ma'am, no, I was saying the question.
So question you are saying 4 upon 11. 4 upon 11, then I write 4 upon 11 like this. But your question is 11 upon 4.
Okay, sorry.
So first of all, you should need how to read the fraction.
Sorry.
Tell me then.
Then quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 3.
So this is your denominator. Quotient is
Quotient is 2.
remainder is 3.
3.
Now how to check? Samriddhi has given this answer. Samriddhi, remainder will come here up as the numerator and quotient will come as the whole. आपको फाइनल आंसर इस ऐसे मिक्स्ड में देना है. Why we are calling it mixed? क्योंकि इसमें होल भी है और
न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर
और प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन भी है. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन भी है और होल नंबर्स भी है. दैट इज व्हाई द नेम ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन इज मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. दो चीजों का मिक्स है ये. दो फ्रैक्शंस का मिक्स है. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन भी है एज वेल एज होल फ्रैक्शन भी है. होल पार्ट भी है. So now how you will check whether you have written the answer in the mix it is correct or not? 4 into 2. This numbers will be multiplied. Whole and the denominator 8. After 8 plus 3, the numerator will be added.
11.
So 11 upon 4 means your fraction is right. जो आपने mixed fraction लिखा है वो सही है. आप अपना आंसर खुद भी चेक कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
Now Dhyan Patel, wait, before Dhyan Patel, I will go to the Ayush. Dhyan, you have to solve the fifth one. So I will come after 2 minutes to you. Yes, Ayush. Solve the fifth one.
My doubt was
ध्यान पटेल कौन?
Sorry. Dhyan Dalal. Fifth one. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, answer is 4.
Dhyan, I will come after 2 minutes to you. Okay. Let me ask first with Ayush. Yes, Ayush.
yes. And my question is,
First of all, you are not visible to me
us
properly.
how-
You're not visible to me properly.
because of the maybe because of the light.
Okay.
Now,
Yes.
yes. So, ma'am, I was saying that
Wait, Kaush.
you told us
Push.
how to take out the take out the mixed fraction out of improper fractions, but the improper fractions were like 5 by 4 or something like that. But I have a doubt. What you told that even when it is by 4 by 4, if the fraction is 4 by 4, it is still stays as an improper fraction
Yes.
because the proper fraction will not be a fraction when it's 4 by 4. So, ma'am, what if the improper fraction is 4 by 4? How will we solve that?
Then the answer will be one whole. एक ही पिज्जा दिया आपने. When you divide this 4 upon 4, when you divide, if the question is 1 and the remainder is nothing, so the whatever the question is will be your answer. One whole pizza दे दिया आपने complete. So it will not be converted into the mixed. But it is improper. Got it? Ayush, clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come next. Dhyan Dalal, as I told you to do the fifth one.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Yes,
still
Ayush.
have the doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
I still have a doubt.
Haji.
Ma'am, my doubt is so, how will we write is one pizza? How will we write one pizza?
Then you write one whole pizza. Suppose if it is 18 upon 18.
Acha, one whole.
One whole. Next.
Yes.
Yes, Dhyan. Tell me the sum.
Ma'am, 41 upon 6.
41 upon 6. First step is what?
To divide.
Tell me.
6 at the and 41.
You should learn the terms. I will ask tomorrow what is dividend, what is divisor, what is question, and
Ma'am,
what is...
dividend is the circle one, divisor is the circle one, dividend is the 41. 6
Okay.
is the divisor.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, 6 are 36.
6 6 are 36. What is the remainder?
4.
Push, you wait if you want to ask one doubt from me. When you subtract,
Okay, ma'am.
what is the remainder is coming? 4.
4.
4. Okay, and again, as I can see, it's excellent to you all that till last in my class today, everyone is there. So be like this only every day in all the classes. Till last, you should be there in the classes. Don't leave the class before the time. Okay, time से पहले आपको class कभी नहीं छोड़ने हैं. आज I can see everyone is there till the last. So this compliment for you all. Please be in the class till last.
left the meeting.
Yes, but I am requesting to other students, to everyone, please stay in class till the last. Okay? Thank you. Now, how you will write it in the mix, Dhyan Dalal?
Ma'am, 6 whole 4/6.
Yeah?
6 whole.
6 whole,
Whole 4/6.
4/6. So, have you checked your answer is correct or not?
Yes.
How?
6 multiplied by 4.
No, 6 multiplied by 6.
6 multiplied by 6.
Denominator will be multiplied by the whole, and whatever the answer is coming plus the numerator. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36 plus 4, 41. Yes? Yes, Priya, you were asking something from me?
Ma'am, the remainder should be 5.
Yes, ma'am, it is
Oh, yes. Yes, sorry. Remainder is 5. Dhyan Dalal, just check. 41 minus 36 is 5. Okay,
Sorry.
yes. Now others can leave. Thank you. Khush, Ahuja, if you have a doubt, you stay. You ask,
Bye,
please.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.